Hi, I'm Andy Steck, and I teach in the elementary education program, an undergraduate program here at Verne. So I think the field of being an educator is so important. It's important for students who need somebody to look up to, that somebody cares about them, that they know that somebody is supporting them and want them to be successful. And that's what we do as educators. The ITP program, or the Integrated Teacher Preparation Program, is a program where students can receive their credential and their degree within 4 years. I think the skills that we want the students to walk away from the program are authentic skills, skills that they're going to use and transfer to their own classrooms once they begin to teach. They have to start early. It is a very intense program, but you can graduate with your 4-year degree and a credential and start teaching. I have always wanted to be a teacher, and I did become a teacher, an elementary school teacher, and then I became an elementary school principal, but I always wanted to be a professor. I wanted to teach people who wanted to be teachers. So I went back and worked on my doctorate and became a professor. I love the students at the University of Verne. They're dedicated, they're loyal, they have passion, they want to be teachers. Many of them are leaving other jobs to become a teacher, and I'm excited for them, and I just love working with them. And I love the fact that they still reach out to me after they've been here to tell me about their lives and about becoming teachers and their successes.